Have you seen these videos claiming that salt trucks were being used to block ICE in Chicago? Well, that's not the case. Tensions have been high in Chicago amid President Trump's threats to send the National Guard and ICE agents to the city. These videos have gone viral showing a fleet of salt trucks in Chicago, but they're not going to be used for the surge in federal immigration enforcement. Instead, city officials say the trucks are there to support public safety efforts related to a planned protest and the Taste of Chicago. The City Department of Streets and Sanitation says this use of salt trucks is a routine practice.